back to our channel, and today we're going to be doing a slime haul. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give it a big thumbs up. The first slime we're going to be doing is googly eye slime. It's so watery. Alright guys, this slime did not really work because it's so watery, and when slimes are watery, they really don't stretch. Alright.
Wait, what was that?
What?
The light just turned off.
I don't know.
That's weird. Okay, let's just keep on going.
Alright.
So somehow the light turned on by itself. But
yeah, we don't know anything. So the next slime we're gonna be testing is a jumbo jiggly slime. Jumbo glitter jiggly slime.
And we made this slime into a jiggly one.
Yeah, it was magic clay, but now we made it as a jiggly slime by putting water in it. Alright guys, so this jiggly slime is like the best jiggly slime I have because it's so big and it's so clicky, and yeah. So let's go to the next slime now. Alright guys, so the next slime we're gonna be testing is this glitter slime too, but it has some beads on ABC letter beads, and this slime turned out really good. It's not that bad. It's not that crunchy too because the beads all fall down and has like a glitter, and yeah, I also love this one too. It's so glittery. I love it. I love slime that are glittery because I put a lot of it. Alright guys, so the next one it's also a jiggly slime, but this time it's a small one. I also have another small one, which I'm pretty sure will be next. So yeah, I also love this one, but it doesn't have that much glitter. Well, it doesn't have glitter because I didn't put any glitter. I don't. So yeah, let's go to the next one. Alright, yeah, so the next one is a jiggly slime also. Alright, these are a dark blue jiggly slime, and somehow that googly eye got in here. Okay. So I really love this slime too. It's so jiggly. It's more jiggly than the big giant jiggly slime, which is this one. It's so jiggly. So yeah, let's head into our last slime. Alright guys, so the next slime is it's like an ocean slime that comes with a stingray. And this slime is also very clicky. I love it too because I love the color of the ocean and everything. It's like the best slime I have probably. Oh guys, and if you see this box, this is a box that from my baby brother's basketball hoop. So we just got this to be like a table. So yeah. Sorry about that. Alright guys, now that I'm done with my slime, we're gonna head to Natalie's slime. So yeah.